20 years ago, the company NC Line was established in Suchdol nad Odrou in the Czech Republic. Since that time, it has grown into an internationally recognized company with a wide portfolio of stable partners. The key to success were two fundamental qualities of the company: a professional approach towards the customer and work performed in the highest quality.
V NC Line totiž věříme, že poctivá práce a zodpovědnost je základem úspěchu.
Díky tomu patříme mezi špičku oboru.
Jsme pyšní na to, že se můžeme podílet na rozvoji regionu a přitom být světový.
All of this is thanks to our successful strategy we have been pursuing since 1993. We decided to apply the latest technologies, and we are constantly moving ahead. But we never forget fair play and tradition. In the year 2000, NC Line attained ISO 9001 certification and has always proven its validity since then. To us, this certificate is the highest recognition of our many years of work and efforts.
Jedná se o jasnou záruku kvality i prvotřídního jednání se zákazníky.
Meanwhile, we are quite cognizant of the fact that not only customers, but also employees must be satisfied. Our company employs specialists in laser cutting, CNC cutting, locksmith work, metal sheet bending, welding, and more. All of this combined lets us be a one-stop shop in sheet metal processing. You can see NC Line products all around us, and not only in the Czech Republic, but also on nearly every continent around the world. In our company, we manufacture components for building machines, handling and transport technology, cargo ships, electrical appliances, solariums, fireplace components, and many others. Customer satisfaction speaks for everything. Our products are widely recognized as world-class quality goods.
NC Line má vlastně jasnou vizi: být po všech stránkách fungující firmou.
Firmou, která staví na vzájemné výhodné spolupráci s dodavateli, neustálém zvyšování kvalifikace zaměstnanců, rovných příležitostech a hlavně spokojenému zákazníkovi.
NC Line. Quality and over 25 years in the business.